Brian Malkinson. Brian Lawrence Malkinson, born 1985, is a Canadian politician who was elected in the 2015 Alberta general election to the Legislative Assembly of Alberta, representing the electoral district of Cal. In 2018, he accepted the position of Minister of Service Alberta. He was defeated in his re-election bid in the 2019 Alberta general election by 191 votes to Nicholas Milliken. Education. Brian has a Bachelor of Science programming from Simon Fraser University in British Columbia, where he also served as President and Vice President of the Interactive Arts and Technology Student Union. 29th Alberta Legislature. Legislative Committees. Malkinson currently serves as Deputy Chair of the Select Special Ombudsman and Public Interest Commissioner Search Committee and the Standing Committee on Legislative Offices. He also serves as a member of the Standing Committee on Public Accounts and the Standing Committee on Resource Stewardship. Malkinson previously served as a member of the Standing Committee on Alberta Heritage Savings Trust Fund. Electoral history. 2019 general election. 2015 general election. 2014 by-election. 2012 general election. References ==